Good morning and welcome to Forex Club TV. Today is Wednesday, July 29, 2009. I'm Remi with your Forex Club market update. The US dollar is trading stronger against the yen, euro, as well as British pound. Now, we have to note that risk demand has fallen and overseas stocks in China fell as much as 5%. And here in the US durable goods orders tumbled more than expected, down 2.5% for the month of June. At the opening bell here at the New York Stock Exchange, US stocks are lower with the major indexes down over 0.5%. And taking a closer look at the major currency pairs, after euro-dollar hit a 8-week high of 1.4305, it hit a low of 1.4091 earlier in the session. As of 9:30 a.m., euro-dollar is trading at 1.4111. Now, the pair is under pressure according to Trading Central analysts, and the RSI is capped by a bearish trend line. Now, Trading Central analysts prefer short positions below the pivot point of 1.4150, with targets at 1.4065 and 1.4015 in extension. Alternatively, above the pivot point of 1.4150, they do recommend looking for further upside with 1.4195 and 1.4220 as targets. And moving on to dollar yen, which is trading at 94.77. According to Trading Central analysts, they do say a continuation of the rebound is expected for this pair. The pair has validated an intraday double bottom, and the neckline around the pivot point of 94.60 maintains its upward pressure. Now, one of the preferences suggested by Trading Central analysts is long positions above that pivot point of 94.60 with targets at 95.18 and 95.40 in extension. Alternatively, below the pivot point, analysts at Trading Central do look for further downside with 94.30 and 94.05 as targets. And last but not least, before we wrap it up for today's report, we're going to take a look at the euro-yen cross, which is trading at 133.73. Now, a continuation of the rebound is expected for this pair, with the RSI mixed and trading with a bullish bias. Now, one way to look at the pair is to trade long positions above the pivot point of 133.50, with targets at 134.38 and 134.75 in extension. Trading Central analysts alternatively see that below the pivot point, they expect further downside with 133 and 132.85 as targets. And that wraps it up for today's Forex Club market update.